What is going on, folks? It is Rigor Mortis. We are back with yet another video, and today we are talking about Shiba Inu. Folks, you guys know what the deal is around here. When Shiba Inu is doing well, when it's doing poorly, or when it's just riding flat, I'm always going to come on here and give you guys my thoughts and opinions about this token and the broader market. Right now, I'll be the first one to admit we are on a bona fide dip. Anybody that wants to argue against that, I'll sit here and argue with them, because I do think that we are on a dip. We have been struggling over the past couple of weeks, and I'll be the very first person to admit that. Now, that doesn't mean, I'm going to preface this, I'm going to say that, guys, I still think it's early. I still think there's a lot of upside potential. People are saying that Shiba Inu is burnt out. This is the exact same thing. If you guys go back to my comment section on my YouTube channel, if you go back and look at what people were saying back here, people were saying, hey, Shiba Inu is done. This is it. The exact same thing I'm starting to hear here. Once we start riding flat a little bit, people are going to start saying the exact same narrative. Hey, Shiba Inu has run out of steam. I still think we are incredibly early. No other token is doing what we are doing, but I think there is a particular reason as to why we have been seeing this struggle over the past couple of weeks. That is what we are going to discuss in today's video. I will also talk about how I think we are going to recover and get back to all-time highs and even eat that zero that I've been talking about, getting to that $60 billion market cap. If you guys are new around here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, join the family, throw a like on this video as it really helps the algorithm get it out to more people, and comment down below. I want to hear your thoughts and opinions on all things Shiba Inu. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. First and foremost, guys, the reason I think that we have been struggling over the past couple of weeks. First and foremost, I told you guys the one metric that dictates all of this is the number of holders. Obviously, we are approaching 1 million people, anticipating that we are going to hit 1 million holders either tomorrow or Thursday, and I do believe that we will hit that target. But the rate at which we are growing has been a lot slower than before. I think anybody will admit that, because that's the same thing we were saying back here. We weren't seeing a lot of growth in the token, and we weren't seeing a lot of growth in the number. And I'll be the first to admit, like I said before, we have been struggling because of it. Not a lot of people are talking about Shiba Inu like they were last month, for example. That doesn't mean that we've run out of steam. That just means that we're in a little bit of a lull period. People have some uncertainty when it comes to cryptocurrency in general. Obviously, there are some things with Shiba Inu that I think are going to completely just change the whole paradigm when it comes to cryptocurrency, but people haven't seen that yet. So that's one. Second of all, right now we are seeing a shift towards people wanting to stake their tokens. Why are we seeing that? There have been a lot of people that have made a lot of money on Shiba Inu, and they are continuously taking profits over the past couple of weeks. They are shifting those profits, in my opinion, over to crypto.com or Crow token. We have seen this thing absolutely explode over the past couple of weeks, reaching a market cap of around Shiba Inu's right now. It's sitting at 22 billion right now. It's up 100% on the week, up 20% on the day. Crypto.com token has been doing great. But why has this token been doing so well in a time where crypto has been struggling a little bit? I think it's a one-to-one relationship, guys. Crow token is doing so well because the crypto market is struggling. People are shifting over, and you guys know, in order to stake on crypto.com, first of all, if you want to stake stable tokens, which people are doing right now, they're staking USDC because that holds the value of their dollar, whatever that might do for them. But you need Crow as well. You either stake with $400, $4,000, or $40,000 worth of Crow, and each one of those tiers gives you a different percentage yield. So that is what's happening right now, in my opinion. People are shifting over, but it's nothing to be worried about. We saw something like this happening eventually. It's not only Shiba Inu, a bunch of other cryptocurrencies are struggling right now, especially the speculatives, but I think there is still so much upside potential, and that is what we are going to get in next. Before I get into that, folks, gotta give a huge shout out to Moomoo. Guys, these people mean business, and they are an up-and-coming platform for trading, and I absolutely fell in love with them. This is the way it works, folks. I just became a Moomoo affiliate, and I'm going to leave my affiliate link in the description below. I'm also going to pin it up at the top of the comments for you guys. You have a chance at getting 5 free stocks. Not just 2 free stocks, but 5 free stocks. This is the way it works, folks. If you open an account with Moomoo, you are going to get 1 free stock. If you deposit any amount, as little as 1 cent, onto their platform, you are going to get another free stock. And if you deposit $2,000, you are going to get 3 extra free stocks. The value of those stocks can be all the way up to, now get this, $17,500. If you do all of those things, you can get 5 stocks valued all the way up to $17,500. Obviously, not everybody has $2,000 laying around, but they are still going to give you a chance. Go ahead and open an account with Moomoo, get a stock valued $3 all the way up to $3,500. Deposit any amount, folks. It can be as little as 1 cent. You get another free stock valued $9 all the way up to $3,500. I think that is doable for everyone. Like I said, that affiliate link is going to be in the description below. I'm also going to pin it up at the top of the comments for you guys. Big shout out to Moomoo. Well guys, Shiba Inu. Still so much left in the pipeline for this one. I don't think it's burnt out whatsoever. I think it's going to be full steam ahead here as we end 2021. If the crypto market wants to cooperate with us, and even if it doesn't, we have some internal catalysts that I think are going to make this token extremely lucrative for the future. First and foremost, Shibarium, our layer 2 solution, that is going to make it so that essentially our gas fees are non-existent. On top of that, the NFT style game. I've talked so much about this because guys, the NFTs in and of themselves are going to be big in my opinion, and the NFT style of the game is going to be big. But on top of that, Shiba Inu, Leash, and Bone, how they interact within that AAA studio NFT style game, that is going to change it up for us as well. The burns are coming, guys. The token burns are getting more and more serious. So as we decrease that circulating supply, we are going to essentially increase that price without even having to touch that market cap. That is absolutely big as well. SHIBASWAP has gotten so many updates recently, but a V2 is coming out eventually. And Shytoshi has some big news for us just this week. So just this week, we could see a huge boom in the price. Of course, we are going to be following it very closely. So guys, like I said before, I'll be the first to admit, if anybody wants to call this other than a dip, they'd be lying, because this is obviously a dip. We got all the way up to the 8s and now we're back down to the 3s, but I think there is still just so much gas left in the tank when it comes to Shiba Inu, and we are truly going to see what this token is capable of here in the year 2022. Obviously, guys, I could be wrong about all of this. These are just my sentiments about this token because I do think that we are incredibly early. But please keep in mind that I'm by no means a financial advisor. I'm just here to put you guys on plays that I'm into. Obviously, I'm a big fan of Shiba Inu, but go out and do your own research. Get as convinced as I am. Go out and do your own research before investing in anything that I talk about on my channel, as this video is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Guys, it doesn't take much in order to go out and look at what we have accomplished over the past year, what we have left to accomplish not only 1 to 2 years down the line, but the trajectory for this token. In my opinion, we have to look way into the future. This token, in my opinion, is not only a safe investment, it's a safe investment for those. Obviously, each individual portfolio is different. Whenever I look at my portfolio, Shiba Inu to me looks like a safe investment, it looks like a speculative investment, and it looks like one that is going to be extremely lucrative. That is exactly what Shytoshi has been reiterating on Twitter. This is one for a portfolio like mine that wants to see growth, that wants to see stability at the same time, and that wants to see something that's a long-term project. Not something that I'm going to make a quick buck on, something that I'm going to be able to see out through the next 5, 10, and 15 years. That is all I have for you guys in today's video. Obviously, my sentiments about Shiba Inu have not changed whatsoever. I'm still extremely bullish and I have a bullish thesis on Shiba Inu. I think we are going to do incredibly well as we move into 2022 and beyond. But of course, those are just my thoughts and opinions. I want to hear your guys' thoughts in the comment section below. I really appreciate you guys watching all the way to the end. It's been your boy Rigor Mortis. I'm at the scene, folks. Peace out, guys.